Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of collaboration and productivity as we explore the new Microsoft Loop app. This innovative platform aims to revolutionize the way teams work together. So, let's jump right in and see what Microsoft Loop has to offer. What is Microsoft Loop? Microsoft Loop is a game-changing collaboration hub designed to help teams create together effortlessly, whether they're in the same room or working remotely. It consists of three main elements: Loop components, Loop pages, and Loop workspaces. Loop components are the building blocks of productivity that enable real-time collaboration in emails, chats, meetings, documents, or Loop pages. Loop pages serve as flexible canvases where teams can organize their components, while Loop workspaces are shared platforms for accessing and categorizing everything important to a project. Organize your project. With Microsoft Loop, organizing your project has never been easier. Loop's workspace recommendations help you quickly assemble all relevant resources into a single, customizable area. The drag-and-drop functionality and content structuring capabilities make it a breeze to create tailor-made workspaces for your team. Stay in sync and on track. Microsoft Loop ensures your team stays aligned and productive with features like progress trackers, custom labels, and task syncing across Microsoft Planner and To-Do. Communication is also a breeze with comments, nudges, reactions, and emojis to express yourself and respond to teammates. Notifications and control. Loop's notification feed keeps you informed of mentions, assigned tasks, and replies, allowing you to quickly view and respond to updates. Its robust search function and custom filters help you find what you need with ease. Plus, Loop components offer the same security and permission settings as other Microsoft Office apps. Copilot in Loop. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered tool that helps you collaborate more effectively in Loop. It offers prompts for brainstorming and allows you to refine language and edit responses for better results. In the coming months, Loop will also introduce summarization capabilities powered by Copilot, making it even easier to stay up to date with your team's progress. And there you have it, folks. That's a quick overview of the exciting new Microsoft Loop app. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to the Microsoft Loop website. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials on how to make the most of Microsoft Loop. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest tech and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.